So you have your asset ready and you would like to share it with other team members so they can use it across the project. Right now, you are only having your work files present, and as we told before, they aren't shared with anyone, just sitting in the working folder. We have to produce the very first version of the asset via publish to make the asset publicly available for the team. First, it's a good habit to name it sensibly, clean it of unnecessary stuff, and freeze its transforms to perform predictably. There are tools within AYON which helps user by assisting him and validates that all studio rules being met. Go to AYON menu and hit Create. Optionally select the top node of the asset you want to publish in the scene using Outliner, but this can be also done later. AYON Publisher shows up. It contains all the tools for creating, validating, and finally publishing your desired asset. It's consisting of Create, Publish, Report, and Details tabs, each aimed for different actions being performed by user, and AYON Toolkit. On the left, there is Context pane showing active asset and its task at the bottom. In the middle, there is a list of all available product types which can be created in the current host app and task. You first have to choose the appropriate one which suits your needs. Let's choose the model type and leave its creation options at defaults. Hit Create at the middle bottom section. Go to the very top and switch to Publish pane. Here you can see so-called subsets for publishing, each box representing different type. As we already know, context showing the asset and task we are in, model representing our model asset which will be produced in the following step. And lastly, work file subset, which represents actual scene also published during ongoing publish acting as a source or origin work file for future published model asset, allowing user to pick it up if necessary. All of these product types will be sitting in completely separate publish folder, being intact to any user editing being completely separate from the work area. As said before, by publishing action, these products will be then available for use across the project by all team members, so they can use those in their scenes. You can select any of the subset boxes and inspect its options and tweak those if preferable. When you are ready, just trigger Publish button at the bottom right corner of the Publisher. After that, Publisher will start processing of the scene, leading to the published products aka assets. During that, AYON collects, validates, and finally produce desired data. If any failure occurs, user being informed about the reasons and can take multiple types of actions depending on the current conditions to remove any hurdles present via repair functionality and user-driven adjustments in the source work file. After that, published asset being produced at the very end of the publishing process, so everyone can use it from now on. Also worth mentioning being the fact that your active work file being up version 2 for backup reasons, so there is no need to do it manually before publishing at all. If all fine, Publisher turned green and can be dismissed. You can also close the active work file too and switch to other contexts within the project if you no longer need to work on this asset. All data being saved already.